OfferLab just killed ClickBank, and I'm going to show you why OfferLab is a much better solution than the regular ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, this is going to be a complete review of the brand new platform called OfferLab, created by Russell Brunson, who created ClickFunnels, and now ClickFunnels is worth over $1 billion. And I'm personally working with Russell and his team to launch this brand new software, OfferLab. And don't worry, if you're brand new, you've never heard of ClickBank, you've never heard of OfferLab, I'm going to explain the differences between OfferLab and ClickBank, and more importantly, how you can start making money as soon as the next 24 hours. Let's get into it. Now, first I want to start with ClickBank. Why is OfferLab completely dominating ClickBank, even though ClickBank has been around for many, many years? And that's because this simple concept called collaboration. Now, first I want to walk you through how ClickBank works. That way you understand how regular affiliate marketing works. But then I'm going to show you how the top 1% affiliate marketers are thinking about making the most money humanly possible. All right, so this is how ClickBank works. Okay, essentially what ClickBank is, it's a network of products. Okay, so it's a network of affiliate products, okay, in different categories. Okay, so think of ClickBank as like a store where they have a bunch of digital courses, digital books, software, coaching, right? It's basically the biggest network in the world, at least before OfferLab is about to launch, when it comes to these digital products. Okay, now the cool thing about ClickBank is they have different categories, right? So they have, you know, maybe they have health and fitness, maybe they have make money online, maybe they have gardening, right? Maybe they have personal development, right? Different niches, different categories. Literally, they have hundreds of categories. Okay, these are just a few. Now, the way people have been making money with ClickBank is simply by promoting one of these products, right? So let's just say this is you. Well, you can go pick a product, let's just say in the make money online niche, all right? Let's just say you find a product in here called product number 1. And let's just say you promote this product, they're going to pay you a commission, right? So this is product number 1 and you get paid, okay? People have been making money with ClickBank for many, many years, and still an amazing place to go find offers. However, OfferLab is different but similar, but way better. And I'm going to explain why. Okay. Now, real quick, before we get into it, I do want to mention sometimes ClickBank products have upsells. Okay. So for example, let's just say we're sticking with that product number 1, right? That's you. And we're promoting this product. Okay, I'm just going to say product number 1. Well, typically what happens after this is there's an upsell, right? So let's just say this product is maybe $47. Well, typically this may have an upsell. Okay, I'm going to show you the differences with OfferLab in just a little bit, but you know, typically there's 2, 3, maybe 4 upsells. All the way it could go up to, you know, $1,000 or whatever, right? That's how it works. Okay, that's how regular affiliate marketing has always worked. Now, the difference between ClickBank and affiliate marketing is you can now create your own version of a super funnel. Okay, now I'm calling it that because I really believe that's what you can do with this. So think of ClickBank as you promote one product from one creator. Okay, now with OfferLab, you can now tap into multiple creators, multiple courses, all into one offer. Okay, now let me show you the platform first, and then I'll show you how it works. Now I'm on OfferLab right now, and there are literally thousands of products in different categories. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, you could even go to my name here, Jonathan Montoya, and essentially you can promote any of my products. I went ahead and uploaded my products to OfferLab, that way people can promote it. Okay, now what's cool about OfferLab is, let's just say you want to promote one of my programs here, AI FREEDOM LAUNCHPAD. Well, you're going to get paid 40% commissions on this. Okay, so let's just say that's the main product you want to promote. Okay, so I'm just going to start to create this and you'll understand why. Okay, so let's just say this first product is, you know, AI FREEDOM LAUNCHPAD. And let's just say this is the main product you want to sell, but then now you can start to create your own upsells. That way you can make more money. Okay, so I'm going to give you some ideas here. For example, if I go to Insta profit system. This is from one of my students. This is a product made by Camila Markson. I can go ahead and promote this as well and create my super funnel. Okay, so she's paying 60% on this. Okay, now every creator pays different commissions. Okay, so it just depends on what you're promoting at the time. Okay, so let's just say Insta profit system. Now again, so she's paying out I think it was 60%, so you would get 60% of that. This one's paying 40%, and then you can start to build your super funnel. Okay, let's just say I want to go pick another product. Okay, so I'm gonna go and look in the marketplace. The cool thing is I could even now pick an e-com product, so like a shirt or supplements or whatever, right? I can go like look at the categories here. There's literally hundreds and hundreds of different categories. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and pick just another course, that way you can see how this all works. So one of my other students, Steffi Chen, she has this program called Online Income Lab, and she pays 50%. Okay, so I'm going to start to put this together, right? So now let's just say she calls it oil, so I'm going to put oil here and put it at 50% because that's how much I would get paid. And then upsell number 3, I can go ahead and find another product, and I could literally build this out as much as I want. Okay, so for you as a beginner, you can build a custom super funnel. Okay, whereas with ClickBank, you're only promoting one product, one creator, which is cool. You can make money with this, but now it gives you the option to now create whatever products you want. Very, very powerful. Now, as you can see, in just the last few days, we've done over $13,000 with OfferLab. The cool thing about OfferLab for beginners is a beginner can go into OfferLab and start to create these super funnels. Okay, now the other thing is the affiliate side of things. You can also promote OfferLab and get 100% commissions, which is very, very powerful. Okay, so I want to show you what I'm doing to promote OfferLab, and then I'm going to allow you to clone my exact same process. That way you can just copy what I'm doing. I'm going to give you my pages, my bonuses, that way you can use as your own. Okay, so this is the page that I'm currently using to sign up people for OfferLab. Now, if you want to sign up for OfferLab, that's going to be the first link down below in the description, or you can also find it in the comments. This will give you access to OfferLab. Okay, what's cool about this is it's free to join. Okay, that's the beauty of OfferLab. It's 100% free to join, but they do have an optional upsell. Okay, now I want to talk about that because this is very, very powerful. Okay, so when you get to this second page after you sign up on that first page, it's going to take you here. Okay, so essentially you'll see a few buttons here. Okay, this one right here, button number 1, you essentially create a free account. Okay, this is 100% free. You create that here. Okay, once you create a free account, so I'm just going to click on this, that way you can see what it looks like. You create a free account, it allows you to become an affiliate here. Okay, now this page may change in the future, but you sign up for free. Okay, it's 100% free, at least at the time of making this video. Okay, now where it gets really cool is right here. If you go to step number 3, it talks about the OfferLab certification. Now this is an optional upsell, but if you watch this video here, he explains how you can double your commission if you get this certification. I actually let you use my white label bonuses as your own, completely 100% as your own. Okay, now I'll let you watch this, that way you can see why this helps you make money 10 times faster. Okay, at least that's what it says right here. Okay, now this is an amazing platform, whether you're a beginner, you're just starting out in affiliate marketing, or you're an expert and you just want to throw your programs, your courses into OfferLab. That way other people can go and promote them for you. Myself, I've had literally hundreds of people already asking to promote my products. Let me show you. You can see all these people are requesting to promote my product. This list just goes on and on and on and on. And all these people, they want to promote my product. Okay, so the same thing can happen for you if you have your own product. Now let's just say you're a complete beginner and you want to upload a product, but maybe you don't have a course. Well, the cool thing is you can actually buy AI Freedom Launchpad. That'll be the second link down below in the description, and you can white label the program and upload it to OfferLab as your own. Let me show you. As you can see here, there are multiple versions of AI Freedom Launchpad because a lot of my students are buying it, reselling it on OfferLab, and getting affiliates to promote it for them. And the cool thing is I give you 100% commission. So if you want to white label AI Freedom Launchpad and upload it to OfferLab, that'll be the second link down below in the description. So make sure you check that out if you get a chance. Now, I'm super excited about this brand new platform, and I really believe this is a ClickBank killer. ClickBank has been around for years, but it's always been the same thing. This really changes the game for affiliate marketers, for beginners, and also experts to upload their programs into OfferLab. So that'll be the first link down below if you want to go ahead and sign up 100% free. And if you do take that upsell, I do have some amazing white label bonuses. With that being said, we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.